Hello everyone, so today we're going through the top 5 expressions every English learner should master. If you want to speak English fluently, you must have known the 5 English expressions that native speakers use in their life. Before starting, I want to ask you to subscribe this channel and hit the like button also. Let's jump right in. Expression number 1, cut to the chase. Cut to the chase means to get the main point or important information quickly and directly. So how to use this expression in our real life? So let's get through an example. When someone is just telling about some incident and is just longing the story and telling which is not very important, and you say, can you please cut to chase and tell me what happened? And you just said to get to the point directly and don't tell which is not important. In other sentences, we can use let's cut to the chase and discuss the most important issues. It means that you're asking to get the important issues directly and quickly without wasting time. Think of a situation where you don't have much time to listen to others and you say, I don't have much time, so you can cut to the chase and give me the key points. You are just saying not to wasting your time and get to the point. I want you to know that after learning these expressions, you must have to practice them. So expression number 2 is keep someone in the loop. Let's get into the expression. It means to inform someone and keep them updated about a situation or a project. Like, hey, this person might have missed a meeting, or this person might not have heard the new information. Don't worry, I'll tell them, don't worry. I will give them information, I will keep them in the loop. Once again, to inform someone and keep them informed. Okay, when we use it in a sentence, we say, please keep me in the loop about any changes to a new schedule. So it means keep me informed about the new updates. Let's have another example, which is, it's important to keep everyone in the loop so that we're all on the same page. So it means when we have a meeting and we say, it's important to keep everyone in the loop. It's important to keep everyone updated and informed about the new changes or new projects. Let's get into the expression number 3, which is break the ice. So now this is something that is very imperative. It means to initiate a conversation or interaction in order to make people feel more comfortable. Let's go through an example, which is, let's break the ice and introduce ourselves. Here, break the ice means to start up a conversation with someone and break the silence. We can say in a sentence like, I always find it hard to break the ice with new people. It means that I feel difficult to start up a conversation with someone. I feel hesitation. If it's telling about someone we're admiring someone, we say, he told a joke to break the ice and lighten the mood. Let's get over through the expression number 4, which is get the hang of. It's like to understand or become familiar with something. Actually means to learn something new. Let's get over through example, which is, it took me a while to get the hang of using this new computer. I took some time to learn the usage of new computer. So let's get through the sentence number 2. Once you get the hang of it, this game is really fun. That if you learn this game, if you get the hang of it, if you learn this game is really fun for you. Let's go toward the last expression, which is get a taste of your own medicine. It seems like I'm just talking about the medicine, to take your medicine, to taste your medicine, but no. It means to experience the same negative treatment or behavior that one is given to others. So, as usual, there's a question, how to use this expression in real life, in real sentences. So let's go through an example, which is, after years of being rude to her coworkers, she finally got a taste of her own medicine. Have you ever heard about the earth is round? Do you even think of it, why the earth is round? There is a reason behind that. If you do something negative to others, it will happen to you also. These were some expressions. If you use in your daily life, you will get an advanced accent and advanced speaking skills. So hit the like and subscribe this channel, and don't forget to share this video also. Thanks for watching.